In this video I will show you how to create this amazing dynamic text animation in DaVinci Resolve. To start, add the Fusion composition to the timeline. Right click on it and select Open in Fusion page. Add a background node and connect to the media out. Change the type to 4 corner. Set a dark red color on top left and bottom right. Add a text node and connect to the merge. Type the word time. Change the font to Montserrat Extra Bold. Then increase the size to 0.18. Open paste the two nodes and place them side by side. Select the first text node and press F2 to rename it Time 1. Repeat the same step and rename the other node Time 2. Near the background, add a green node by pressing Shift Spacebar. Lower the measure line spacing to 0 and do the same for the green color. Now let's start creating the lines. Add a polygon mask, a background and a text node. Connect them together. Select the background and set its color to a light gray. Move to the polygon and increase the border width to 0.003. Set the border style to flat. Use Ctrl mouse wheel to zoom in and precisely place the 2 points. Hold Shift to keep the line perfectly straight. Once done, click Fit at the top. Go back to the grid and disable it with Ctrl P, since it's no longer needed. Then select the transform and set pivot X to 0.698. Let's animate the line. Select the polygon and remove the initial keyframe at the bottom. At frame 0, add a keyframe on length and set to 0. At frame 30, set length to 1 and add a keyframe on position. At frame 60, increase position to 0.8. Select the transform and at frame 30, set angle to 0. At frame 60, change angle to -90. Add a keyframe on center X as well. At frame 120, lower center X to -0.21. The animation is now visible, but the movement isn't smooth yet. Select the polygon and open the spline panel at the top right. Enable length, then click zoom to fit. Select all keyframe with Ctrl A and press S. Press T, select the last keyframe and set ease in to 50. Disable length and enable position. Click zoom to fit again. Select all keyframes with Ctrl A and press S. Press T on the last keyframe and set ease in to 65. Then close the spline panel and the line now appears much smoother. Select the transform and reopen the spline. Enable angle, click zoom to fit, then select all keyframes and press S. Select the last keyframe, press it and set ease in to 60. Now select center and disable angle. Select all points and press S. Set ease in to 50 and ease out to 40. Slightly lower the ease out curve to make the movement more dynamic. Select the 3 nodes and copy them with Ctrl C. Paste them as an instance using Ctrl Shift V to keep the parameters linked. Add a new transform node. Click the flip icon to mirror the line vertically. Select all the line nodes and press Shift Spacebar to add an underlay. Then press F2 and rename it line. If you want, you can also change the underlay color and create some space to keep everything organized. Now add a rectangle mask. Copy and paste the line's transform node. Connect the rectangle mask to the yellow input of the transform and connect the transform to the time 1 text. Drag time 1 into the first viewer. Select the rectangle mask and set center Y to 0.66. Set width to 0.4 and set height to 0.326. In this way the mask will cut half of the text. Go to the transform and double click center XY to remove keyframes. Move to frame 60 and set angle to 90. Finally click Flip to mirror the mask. Copy and paste the 2 nodes and connect them to time 2. Then drag time 2 into the first viewer. Set the copied transform and disable flip. At frame 60 set angle to -90. Now the mask will completely hide the text. Select the text node and add the underlay with Shift spacebar. Then adjust the size and rename it Time Text. Create some space and copy the text node. Select the duplicated text and change its color to red. Drag the red time text into the first viewer, then go to Settings and enable Apply Mask Inverted. Select the text nodes and add an underlay. Adjust the size and change its color to orange. Rename the underlay to Time Red. Create more space and copy the text node again. Drag the copied text into the first viewer, rename it Money, and change its color to yellow. Go to Settings and disable Apply Mask Inverted. Add a rectangle mask. Then copy and paste the Lines Transform node. Connect the rectangle mask to a yellow input of the transform, and connect the transform to a red text node. Select the rectangle mask and maximize width and height. Go to Transform and double click Angle to remove keyframes. Then set Pivot X to 0. At frame 60, lower center X to 1.198. At frame 120, set center X to 0.487. The mask now follows the line, but the top text is still visible. Go to frame 70 and select the rectangle mask. Add a keyframe on level and set to 0. At frame 71, bring level back to 1. This will completely mask the top text. If you want to become an expert in video editing, check out the tutorials I have created for you on this channel. And if you want your videos to reach this level of quality, contact me on email.